Well, hi, Algebra 2 class. Here we are in the room. It's decorated a little bit before we start school. Hey, here's a little bit on lesson. Here we go. First thing I'm asking you to do is to graph x plus 4. The y-intercept. We all know the up and down line is the y, don't we? We do. And the y-intercept is where the y gets intercepted, and this is the line at positive 4. The slope is negative 2/3, and when it's negative, we always go to the right 3. Down 2 to the right 3, and we connect them. Here's another one. Y-intercept is negative 5. Slope is 3. We always make it 8/1 if it doesn't have it. And we go up 3/1, up 1, 2, 3/1. Hello, Cleveland. Look at that. Do any of you remember Mr. Ron? He substituted a year ago. He used to teach here. He was awesome. And Mr. Ron had a Grandpa Yelmer, and Grandpa Yelmer would say horizontal and vertical. And it's like, why is he saying those words so funny, like horizontal? This is to remind you that a horizontal line has a name of y equals. So when you see a name y equals, you just go up 1, 2, 3, boom, draw the horizontal line. Good one, Mr. Ron's grandpa. And here, if it says, what is the horizontal line that goes through 1, 4? Well, the horizontal name would be y equals, and you look right here, y equals 4, and just up 1, 2, 3, 4, and hello. Try to hit the spot better than I did. And his grandpa also said vertical. He also said vertical. And that means a vertical line. So when it's x, it is a vertical line. So we go to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 negative. There it is. And on 3, 9, for vertical is x equals. Well, what does the x equal? The x equals 3. That's all we need to know. Vertical line at 3. Try to hit it. Hello. Cool. And now we walk over here to the next part of it, and it is to find the intercepts, then graph. And my problem is 3x plus 7y equals 42. Intercept, and here's the, and I'll tell you, we know something about over 0. How much do we go up or down? I don't have the little liney thingies there. Oh no, I'm just a kid. So we're going to put it just as a y, and then we might find out the number later. The x-intercept is located right here. How far do we go over? I don't know. But how far do we go up? Oh, we go up 0. Hello. Cool. So there are 2 solutions to this. Part 1 and part 2. It doesn't matter what order you do them. One of them, you are going to substitute for x, 0. Another, you're going to put 0, y. Doing 2 things separately. So all I do when I see an x, I put an x. That's easy. You see an x, you put an x. Duh. A little trickier, where you see a y, you put a 0. That's 0. Divide, and I get x equaling 14, I hope. Which means my point will be 14, 0. And part 2. Where you see an x, you put a 0. Where you see a y, you put a y. Plus. Again, super easy to see a y. Equals 42. Y is 42. Y is 6. Your answer is 0, 6. By the way, when we take a test on this, you're just going to have these answers. You won't actually finish the graph. But to finish easy, you go over 14, up 0, over 0, up 6. And that's that. Cool. Remember, I'm just doing one example. Rewatch it numerous times. Try to get my view rate up. I have not used yet, but I could make some big bucks. All right. That's the section 2.3 Algebra 2 lecture. Goodbye.